Hi there, if you're retired or you're planning to soon, here's 5 reasons why landscape photography might be a great choice for a new retirement hobby. Reason number 1 is that it will involve learning a whole new set of skills. So learning about cameras, learning about exposure, learning about composition, and learning new skills is one great way to keep your brain active, and it's definitely something that you should do in retirement if you want to maintain some sort of mental agility. Reason number 2 is that landscape photography is a great reason to get out and about and stay physically active, wandering through the landscapes on the beaches or the mountains or the hills or really wherever you can. And it's a great reason to get out and about, even when you might not fancy going for a walk or you're kind of like, I'm not sure what to do today. Going for a walk and taking your camera is a great reason, a great motivation to stay physically active. Landscape photography can also give you a great sense of accomplishment, especially if you've been trying to get the exact photo that you want and it's just not working, and then suddenly you find the composition that you love and you take the photo and it's an absolute amazing photo. It gives you a really great sense of achievement, and also when you create a beautiful piece of art and then you go on to print it or get someone else to print it and hang it on your wall, it gives you a real point of pride. Reason number 4 is that it can give you a really nice sense of social interaction or community spirit, and as all of these polls keep telling us, loneliness is on the rise in all sectors really, and the last thing you want to do is retire and then have that sense of loneliness or disconnectedness from other people. So landscape photography is a great way to be around other people who are interested in similar things. So although there are loads of great online photography communities, and that's definitely cool, especially if you live somewhere where there's not a camera club or there's no one else that's interested in taking photos, if you can, landscape photography is amazing for social interaction. So think about looking for local photography groups or photography clubs and joining those. Not only will you meet new people and make new friends and have a social circle to be part of, but people, generally speaking, are amazing and they love landscape photography and they'll teach you so much. And reason number 5 is that landscape photography really gives you a reason to go and explore new places, and it's really easy, especially after you retire, and I've seen this in my own relatives, it's really easy after you retire to just go to the same old restaurants, go to the same places, and really never explore or never see anything new. Landscape photography gives you a great reason to actually explore new places, whether it's your local national parks or whether it's overseas amazing photography destinations like New Zealand or wherever. It gives you a reason to go and explore and experience new things, and experiencing new things and new places and new people is an amazing way to keep your brain in working order, shall we say. This channel is all about inspiring people and educating people when it comes to landscape photography. So if you want to learn about landscape photography, or you want to see what it might be like to get out and take up landscape photography as a hobby, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And let me know in the comments if there's any other reasons why you think landscape photography might be a great retirement hobby. All right, I've got to get my tripod away from those waves.